Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, Anil. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Um, Rajeshwari, are you new joining today or you are from previous classes? Okay, guys. So in today class, we are going to discuss about user interface. Okay. Yes, Rajeshwari.
Hi Anna.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. I want to revise the syllabus once again. So through this class, that's why I'm joining this class.
No, I didn't get you. So you are from previous batch.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will discuss with you offline.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So in today class, we are going to discuss about user interface. Okay. So basically, user interface will tell you the navigations within the service. How we are going to navigate when we get the requirements. Okay. So what area we are calling what? Okay. Yes. I'm going to I have open Servicenow instance. I have open Servicenow instance. Okay. So this is the Servicenow instance. If anybody not created Servicenow instance still, is everybody created Servicenow instance? Altaf, Mahesh, Venki.
Yes, I created.
Okay, fine, that's fine. So you can see, guys. So here, this area, we are calling it as banner frame. This area, we are calling it as banner frame. Okay. This area, we are calling it as banner frame. Okay. Yes, it is banner frame. Maybe I will increase the size. Yes. This, we are calling it as banner frame. Okay. Yes, this we are calling it as banner frame. So next, from this is a logo, Servicenow logo. This is the organizational logo. Okay, for example, if you are working in TCS, the logo should be TCS logo. If you are working with Wipro, here you are able to see Wipro logo. Okay, like this. It is a instance logo. It is a instance logo. Next, I'm clicking on all. This is a application navigator. This is a application navigation frame or application navigator. Okay, this is the application navigator. This is the favorites. So if you want to navigate to any of the link quickly, if you want to navigate any of the link quickly, so you will make it as favorite, then immediately when you click on this link, it will go to that particular page. For example, here you can see So I'm saying incident. Okay, here I'm typing incident. So under incident application, I'm making it as favorite. So you can say, I'm saying done. You can come to favorites and you can see, when you click on that link here, it is redirecting to instant page like that. We want to go quickly, so we'll make that link in the favorites. Okay, next history. So you can see wherever you are navigating within the Servicenow instance, wherever you are navigating within the Servicenow instance, it should be appear in the history. Okay, it will show you on what date and what time where you have navigated within the Servicenow instance. Okay. So this is history. So if you are navigating somewhere within the Servicenow instance, it will be captured in the history tab. Okay, guys. Next. Here there are different workspaces available. Asset workspace, MDB workspace, platform analytics workspace, service operations workspace. It is related to workspaces. As of now, we don't require to get more information about this. Okay, it's just workspaces. Next, admin. It will tell us about like admin related. So here we have logged as a system administrator. That's why it is showing admin. Okay. Yes. Wherever we are, like we are in an incident form. So here you can see it is showing incident creation, something like that. Okay. Wherever we have navigated, wherever we are in, so it will show that name, that details here. Okay. Yes. Here we have search icon. Here we have search icon. This search icon, we are calling it as global search. This search icon, we are calling it as global search. Okay. This search icon, we are calling it as global search. You can search any content from here. You can search any content from here. If that content exists within the Servicenow instance, it will show. For example, you can see I'm searching for some keyword, something like knowledge. So you can see, so almost that knowledge keyword available with 36 results we receive. You can see from the KB articles only we have received mostly. Okay, so you can see. Change password. Here also we have knowledge. So like based upon the keyword, we will get the results. This is a global search. Okay. Next. This we are calling as globe icon. This we are calling as globe icon. Here you are able to see application scope and update set. From the global globe icon, so you are able to see application scope and update set. Here you can see whenever you are high on that globe. Okay, whenever you are over, whenever you get mouse pointer on the globe icon, it is showing application scope and update set. Okay, if you click here, you are navigate to that particular application scope and particular update set. Here you can see here we have only one update set. So if we go to the application scopes, we have different application scope. Now we are in the global application scope. Okay, yes. Next, support chat. You can say support chat. This icon should be called as support chat. So if anybody sent you the message within the service now, it will be appear here. Okay. Next, help icon. Help. This is a help icon. It will redirect to the docs.servicenow.com mostly. So you can say browse product documentation. This is notifications. If any email notifications received to us, if any notifications received to us, that notification will appear here. Okay, that notification will appear here. Okay, next user profile. Next user profile. Okay, these are the elements from the banner frame. These are the elements from the banner frame. Okay, from the banner frame, if you have any queries, please ask me here. Any queries here? Yes, Venki? No? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next, this area we are calling as content frame. This area we are calling as content frame. Banner frame, this area is content frame. Okay, this area we are calling as content frame. This area we are calling it as content frame. Okay, so this is banner frame. This is banner frame. This is content frame. This is content frame. So when you click on all, this we are calling it as application navigation frame. Application navigator or application navigation frame. Okay, got it? When we click on all, so this we are calling it as application navigation frame. Application navigation frame. Within the application navigation frame, you are able to see applications and models. You are able to see applications and models. So here you can see. So if you want to pin this, yes, you can click here. You are able to see this application navigation menu in the left side of the browser. Okay. So if you don't want to pin, you can remove pin. So here you can see pin all menu. Yes, you are able to see left side. This you are able to see left side. Okay. So again, I'm zooming. So you can see. So here, this search icon we are calling as application navigation search. This search icon we are calling it as application navigation search. This search icon we are calling it as application navigation search. Okay. This search icon we are calling as application navigation search. So here these are the applications. So wherever you are able to see like this icon, and somewhat it is bold and it has some glow. Okay, those are the applications. Under this, these all are the modules. Okay, under this, these are the modules. Here you can see, here we have self-help is the application, business application, dashboard are the modules. So I'm clicking here. So you can say activity subscription is application. Under this, these all are the modules. Okay. Next, app engine is application. These all are the modules. Got it, everybody? So maybe I'm clicking on Docker. So you can see these all are the modules. Maybe employee center. This is application. Under this, these all are the modules. Got it, everybody? So how to identify application and module? Yes. Any queries here? Okay. So next, I'm going to form. For example, I'm clicking on incident. So maybe I'm opening incident form. So here you can see. So this we are calling as form. This we are calling as form. Okay, this we are calling as form. So these are the fields. Here number is one field, color is field, category is field, subcategory is field, service is field. Like this. These all are the field. And from the field, again, this is a label, this is a text box, label text box, label text box, label text box. Okay. And this is a form header. This is a form header. This is a form header. This three lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. This three lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. This three lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. So when we click on that hamburger menu, or when we right click on form header, something will be open. This we are calling as form context menu. This we are calling it as form context menu. This we are calling it as form context menu. Next. These are the form header buttons. These are the form header buttons. This is a attachment icon. This is a attachment icon. Okay. Yes, this is a, you can say personalized form. This is a personalized form. What are the fields we are planning to keep in the form? We have to select. We don't want to display particular column within the form. You can simply remove checkbox here and it will not appear in the form. Okay. Next, toggle template bar. Toggle template bar. Okay. So for example, I'm clicking on toggle template. So here you can see all the templates on the instant form shown here, for example. Okay. Again, I'm toggling. It gone. Next. So here you can see this is related search results. So in the short description field, if we enter something I'm saying password, something like this. Based upon this keyword, some results will appear. Related search results. These we are calling as related search results. These we are calling as related search results. Okay. Yes. I'm scrolling down. So here you can see this we are calling as form sections. Here notes is one form section. Related reports is one form section. Resolution information is one form section. Okay. For example, I'm saving this report. Taking up inputter. I'm saving this report, for example. Yes. So if anywhere, if you have seen this kind of symbol, asterisk symbol, you can say, okay, asterisk symbol. That means that field is mandatory. Here you can see color and short description have asterisk symbols. That means these two fields are mandatory. Here you can see this priority field. You can see it should be gray out. That means this field is read only. Okay. This is preview the record. Preview record. This icon should be preview record. This icon should be preview icon. Okay. I'm scrolling down. So here you can see these are the related links. These are the related links. Uh, guys, as of now, like I'm showing every option within the instant form. Okay, if you open any form, it should be like this only. It may be problem form, change request form, whatever it is. Okay, we just learning the navigational elements from the user interface. Okay, so you can see these are the related links, and this we are calling it as related list. Task SLA is one related list. Affected CA is one related list. Impacted services is one related list. Child incident is one related list. These are the related list. Okay, and on any field you can right click on any field. For example, on number field and right click. This also we are calling as form context menu. So if you want to see about this particular field configurations, this you are able to see. Okay, this configuration menu able to see. Okay, yes, this is about form options. If you have any queries, please let me know. And I also I have prepared document as well. So if you are listening for one time, I can say it's difficult to identify. Okay, that's what I prepared document. I will share you the document. You can visit the document for 1 or 2 times, so you will get the idea. So what area we are calling as what? Okay. So any queries from the form elements? Please let me know. Vijaya, Rajeshwari, Saddam.
No, sir, I am good.
Okay. Next. Next I'm going to list. Next I'm going to list. Okay. So here you can see now the tab now when I click on all, it was open in the new tab. Like how it was open in the new tab. So whenever I'm clicking on any link, so I'm also pressing control plus I'm clicking on this particular link, then it will open in the new tab. Otherwise it will open in the same window. For example, you can say I'm not pressing control, it will open within this page only. If I click on control and click on this link, then it will open in the new tab. Okay. Yes. So you can see this we are calling it as list. This we are calling it as list. Okay. This is a list header. This is a list header. This area we are calling as list header. This area we are calling as list header. This is hamburger menu. This is hamburger menu. Okay. And this is list context menu. This is list context menu. Okay. This is the list context menu. Okay. This is filter icon. This is filter. If you want to filter any data, so we have to use this one. For example, so you can see I'm saying active true, and maybe I will add a few more filters. State is state is I'm running the filter, for example. So you can see like this, we can filter the data. Okay. This is hamburger menu. When you click here, it will open form context menu. Or when you right click on any field, then also it will show the form context menu. When you right click on any field, it will also show the form list context menu. Sorry, list context menu. So here you can see if you want to search something within this table. Okay, if you want to search something within this table. From here we can able to search. Okay. And if any values modified, within this list of records, it will be shown in blue color. Okay, it will be shown in blue color. Next, personalized list. This gear icon we are calling as personalized list. This gear icon we are calling as personalized list. By using this personalized list, we can make columns available or not available within this list. By using this personalized list, we can make columns available or not available within this list. Okay. So yes, I have opened personalized list. Whatever the columns we have in selected slush bucket, we will call it as slush bucket. Whatever the columns we have within the selected slush bucket will be displayed in the list. Okay, these are the available columns from the available slush bucket. Available slush bucket, selected slush bucket. Okay, yes. This drop down, we are calling it as list choice action. This drop down, we are calling it as list choice action. This drop down, we are calling it as list choice action. This drop down, we are calling it as list choice action. Okay. And these are the form header, list header buttons. These are the list header buttons. These are the list header buttons. These are the list header buttons. Okay. Next. This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. This we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Whenever we filter data, so that filter criteria will be shown in the breadcrumb bar. Whenever we are filtering data, that filter criteria will be shown in this breadcrumb bar. Okay. That filter criteria will be shown in breadcrumb bar. That filter criteria will be shown in this breadcrumb bar. If we scroll down, so this is pagination. This is pagination. This is pagination. Okay. This is pagination. Next, in the list also we have related list. In the list also we have related links. Okay, but for this list we don't have any related link. But for the list also we have related links. And here you can see if you open form or if you open list or if you open any page, you are able to see something like this clock icon. What this clock icon will represent? So you can see how much time it took to load this entire page. This clock icon will tell us how much time it took to load the entire page. Okay, you can see almost how much time it took. 844 milliseconds. Okay, 844 milliseconds. It took to load the form. Okay, and for network it is taken 4 milliseconds. For server load, 500 seconds, and browser it took 340 seconds. 500 plus 340, 840 plus 4, 844 milliseconds is took to load the entire form. So this is the browser response time, clock icon. So almost I have covered all the navigational elements from the user interface. So you have any queries, please ask me. So once we can navigate to document as well. Okay. Any queries? Veda, Saddam, Rajeshwari, Ravi.
Sir, what we call this icon before gear icon? Yeah.
Let's so basically this we are calling as activity string. This we are calling as activity string. So if we modify something within the list view and the page is not refreshed, it will shown in the blue color. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. In the form, maybe I forgot 1 or 2 points. You can come here and scroll down. So here you can see this area we are calling as work notes. When you click here, it is we are calling as additional comments. Okay. Whenever you add some content here within this text box, will be appear in the activities. Okay. Whatever the comments the users are adding here, it will be appear in the activities. Okay. For example, I'm adding some comments here. So you can see should be adding here. If it is additional comments, it should be darker. Okay. If it is a workload, it should show in the yellow color. This set. Okay. I'm saying something like hello post. So you can see every comment will be added to activities. Okay. Any queries? Any queries, guys?
No, sir.
Okay. Now once we can visit the old document, okay? So you can see this we are calling as content frame. Okay, this we are calling as content frame. So you can see how the banner frame looks like. This we are calling as banner frame. This we are calling as banner frame. This we are calling as banner frame. Okay. And application navigation bar. You can see how application navigation bar looks like. An application navigation frame. So you can see this is application navigation frame. Okay. This is application navigation frame. That, yes, this is application navigation frame. Next, you can see application navigation search. So this is application navigation search. And you can see the favorites and history. Okay, this is history. Wherever you are navigating, it will be updated. This is global search. This is global search. And these are the applications. You can see these are the applications. Under the applications, we have modules. Under the applications, we have modules. You can see this is module, this is module. Under incident application, these are the modules like this. Okay, and instance logo. Wherever we are working, so that company's logo will be seen here. And instance name. So I haven't tell you this instance name. So here you can see whenever you hover the logo, you are able to see instance name. This instance name should be Servicenow service management. Okay, Servicenow service management. This is instance name. So earlier versions, we are able to see that instance name beside to instance logo. But in latest version, so it is whenever we are hover on the logo, it is appearing. Okay. Next, user profile. From the banner frame, it is used. Okay. Next, impensate user. I will show you this option. So if you want to log into the other users indirectly, we have impensate user option. We have impersonate user option. So when you click on this impensate user, and maybe I'm typing I will put. I'm planning to log into I will Twitter account indirectly without I will Twitter's user ID and password. You can see. So I have logged into Able Tutor account or not indirectly. Yes or no? Yes, I have logged into Able Tutor account. This is instantiator. This is instantiator user. Okay. Next. So settings are preferences. This I have to discuss after reconnecting. So you can say when you click on the preferences, you are able to see all these options. We'll discuss later in today's class. Okay. These are the user preferences. When you click here, you are able to see. Next. So this is support chat. Okay, this is support chat. Help icon. So this is list. This is form. In the form, this is form. Hamburger menu. Fields are columns. Okay. Form sections. Next, form header, form buttons, attachment icon, form context menu. Okay. Related links, related lists, work notes, list header, list context menu. So you can say personalized list. Earlier, the personalized list should be here, but now it is appearing in the list header only. Okay. Next, filter icon, breadcrumb bar. You can see breadcrumb bar. This is breadcrumb bar. List